If Game of Thrones, Kingsroad is stuck on a black screen, freezing on loading, or not opening on mobile, follow these step-by-step fixes. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Poor internet can cause loading freezes and black screens. Try this. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. The game requires a stable online connection. Step 2. Clear cache, Android. Corrupted cache files may stop the game from loading. Android steps. Open Settings. Apps. Game of Thrones, Kingsroad. Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Do not press Clear Data unless necessary. Step 3. Update the game. Old versions may contain bugs or compatibility issues. Android. Open Google Play Store. Search the game. Tap Update. iPhone, iPad. Open App Store. Update the game. Recent updates improved stability and performance. Step 4. Free up storage space. Low storage can cause black screens and crashes. Recommended. Keep at least 5 GB free space. Delete unused apps, videos. Restart the phone afterward. Step 5. Disable VPN or ad blockers. VPNs and ad blockers may block game servers. Do this. Turn off VPN. Disable private DNS/ad blockers. Restart the game. This fixed loading problems for some players. Step 6. Close background apps. Too many apps running in the background can cause freezing. Before opening the game, close YouTube. Close Chrome. Clear recent apps. This improves RAM performance. Step 7. Restart your phone. A simple restart can fix temporary bugs and memory issues. Steps. Close the game completely. Restart your Android or iPhone. Open the game again. Many players fix the black screen issue after restarting their device. Step 8. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Sometimes the game is syncing with servers during startup. Do not close the game immediately. Wait at least 1 to 2 minutes on the black screen. Some loading problems are temporary after updates. Step 9. Lower graphics settings. High graphics settings can overload low-end phones. Best settings. Graphics, medium or low. FPS, 30 or 45. Shadows, off. Effects, low. Stable FPS is more important than ultra graphics. Step 10. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, uninstall the game. Restart your phone. Download the latest version again. This replaces corrupted game files. That's it for today's video. I hope this guide helped you fix the Game of Thrones Kingsroad black screen problem on your mobile device. If the issue is still happening, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more gaming fixes, tutorials, and mobile gameplay videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.